After winter is over, spring is coming.
Thousands displaced millions, created disaster, blowback, and refugees.
The spring sun is very warm.
I am looking.
The spring sun is very warm. And the number of rains has also increased. After the rain, we can see the rainbow. Buds began to grow on the tree. The seeds in the soil began to germinate. Snake and hedgehog wake up from hibernation. The frog also ended hibernation. The mother frog laid eggs in the pond. The mother frog laid eggs in the pond. The birds build nests to hatch young birds. The chicks are born in spring. Blooming flowers everywhere. Butterflies are flying in the flowers. Bees are busy collecting nectar. Everyone put on comfortable spring clothes. Outings and picnics with the whole family. This is spring, full of vitality, so spring is green.